Okay, good morning. It's Dr. Deuk. I'm here with one of my lovely patients who unfortunately had a problem with a thoracic disc herniation that required surgery, but the surgery was done yesterday and she's right here today on day one, less than 24 hours after her surgery, and we're going to share her story. When did your problem start with your pain? And it's around your bra line in the back, and it wrapped around your right rib like a radiculopathy, like a pinched nerve. When did that start?
All of the major pain was from the accident 7 years ago, but it started really being apparent about 2 years ago.
So 2 years ago you had pain in the thoracic in the middle from the herniated disc, and it would shoot around the right side.
Correct.
And I know we didn't fix you 2 years ago, but what have you been doing for 2 years? How come this hasn't been fixed sooner?
I was trying non-surgical ways, chiropractor, physical therapy, massage, stretching, things like that to see if we could get it to fix itself without surgery.
Yep.
And it just wasn't successful.
And that's the right thing to do, by the way. Anybody with a herniated disc in their spine that doesn't have weakness or paralysis of their spinal cord, you want to try to treat it conservatively with shots, therapy, medications, anti-inflammatories until you give it enough of an opportunity to heal. Usually 2 months is what I say, and then you bite the bullet and you get the surgery done. Now, the problem you had, a thoracic disc herniation at T9 and T10, which we fixed yesterday, was it done at the hospital or outpatient?
It was done outpatient.
At Deuk Spine Institute, Surgery Center of Vienna, right?
Yes.
So we're doing thoracic disc herniations endoscopically, transforaminal. We went through your back, we went through the foramen, and I was able to remove the herniation and unpinch the nerve endoscopically. Everything went well, and here you are today just for a routine checkup. Now, tell me about the pain you had in your back. Do you still have the thoracic pain in the center of the spine off to the right side?
I do not. It was giving me, it felt like there was a baseball underneath the skin, and then it would wrap around to the rib cage and bother me, and it's completely gone.
So
I'm just sore now.
Good.
More
So
than...
And that will go away. So the pain in your back, the baseball pain is gone, and the radicular pain around the side is gone.
Yeah, I haven't had any problems breathing or poking or anything.
Now, is it gone because you're taking powerful painkillers?
No.
Are you taking any painkillers?
I did take my regular painkillers this morning, but otherwise I'm not having to take anything extra, and I'm not... No.
Did your regular painkillers take your pain away? Were they effective in the past?
No, it was only about 50%.
Yeah, and now it's 100, right? And you don't even need the painkillers, to be honest with you.
No.
Yeah. So you're cured.
Yes.
All right.
You're amazing.
Well, and you're amazing because you had the confidence and faith to get it done.
Well, I appreciate it.
You're a brave woman, right?
Thank you.
Because I told you I've only done 4 other patients with thoracic disc herniation, so you were number 5.
Wow. You did wonderful.
Thank you.
Highly recommend it.
And if you watched yesterday on September 1st, 2020, and you watched the thoracic Deuk laser disc repair, right side, that was this young lady. And she was kind enough to share her story and her surgery with you so you all could learn something. Is there anything else you want to say to the rest of the world before we wrap this up?
No, you're an amazing doctor, and after everything that I've been through, this was the smoothest and the most effective.
Good.
By far.
Good. Yeah, so I would just say one last thing. Thoracic disc herniations are rarely symptomatic. They rarely cause symptoms, but in her case, they did. And like she said, she tried to avoid having surgery. She did everything she could to avoid it, which was within reason, and it didn't work. So she ended up needing surgery. And before the Deuk laser disc repair, endoscopic surgery was available, patients like her would literally have to have massive surgery to get rid of these herniations. I was there, I'd been there at the University of Florida when I did my training. We would have to take a rib out, we would have to drop the lung, we'd have to have special anesthesia. The patients would be fused with screws and rods. Because the spinal cord is back there, and to get to the disc in front of the spinal cord, you literally have to close the lung and collapse the lung, and move the aorta sometimes, which is the big blood vessel. So it was literally a life-threatening surgery, massive surgery, and the patients would be in the ICU for at least 2 or 3 days after surgery recovering. And the risk of damaging the spinal cord and the aorta, which supplies blood to the legs, was massive. Damaging the kidneys, you could lose a kidney from the surgery, get infections around your lung called an empyema, have heart problems. I mean, the risk was just crazy, and we would only do that kind of surgery for people who were in severe pain. So without the Deuk laser disc repair, you probably would have had to live with this pain the rest of your life. And you're young. That means like another 40, 50 years, 60 years with this kind of pain and not getting better. So we went for it. We tried the endoscopic Deuk laser disc repair for your thoracic herniation at T910, and it worked. So congratulations.
Thank you.
All right.
I appreciate it.
Yep, we'll see you later.